Thank you. So, please tell your business plan and your website details. Maybe your website is related to gym. I check it that you link in 5 hours. My question is, what type of service do you want? Normally, introduce myself. This is Anamul, study in electrical and electronic engineering. I'm professional data-driven marketer. I'm very expert in Facebook, Google Analytics, Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, business plan making, a lot of things. That's why I'm a data-driven marketing specialist. So that's why I can give you guarantee to promote your websites and generate a lot of sales. And if you want a lead generation service, I can do it. Can you ensure me what type of service do you want? And one more question I have: did you set up Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and Tag Manager with your site? As another, it's very important for data tracking. If you track your data, I mean traffic, your websites, you can create a customer list on the time when you retarget ads campaign create in later on. We reduce our ads campaign cost, and we can target actual audience who are interested to our business. Okay, can you any plan?
We're part of a franchise.
Okay.
It's part of a franchise. So that that website link that I showed you is my gym, which is one of 36 gym flex fitness gyms in New Zealand. So I don't have access to the back end of that. What we're responsible for as an individual franchise is to promote our local franchise, our gym, right? So there's 36 gyms, but my responsibility is to promote our local gym. So when we first built the gym 1 year ago, the head office, they took care of all the Facebook marketing. That assistance is finished now. So it's my responsibility to arrange my own person to look after our Facebook ads. So basically what I want to do is something very similar to when we first opened up. We opened up and we did really well. We had a lot of online leads, a lot of sales, a lot of traffic. And to be honest with you, we are at capacity. We do not really, we are not desperate for sales or leads. The gym is almost at capacity. This campaign that I want to do is to celebrate like a 1 year birthday. So I want to do like what we did when we first opened up the gym, like a big reach campaign, like just letting everyone know in our 5-mile radius that, hey, we've been there for 1 year, everything is going so good. If you want to be part of it, click on the link, and then a brand awareness campaign. What's the difference between a flex fitness gym compared to another gym? And then, we did some really big engagement campaigns. We gave away free membership for 1 year. It was like a competition. So we want to do that again. So basically for 4 weeks, we want to heavily promote for 4 weeks. We will give you all the content. So we have someone in our team that does photos and videos and all that sort of stuff. So we we gave head office all the videos, the photos. They just posted it on Facebook, target market, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, I mean, that's I guess that's what we're looking for. So, you know, from one of the campaigns, just a lot of reach target, a lot of page views.
Okay.
And then, you know, one of the campaigns, just a lot of engagement. We want people liking, clicking, sharing, and then, you know, making comments on that competition, the free membership competition. You know, if you tag someone in, you go into the chance to win the, you know, the prize. So a lot of people were sharing, a lot of people were tagging. And yeah, that's what we want to do. And, you know, we'll make videos to show what the gym was like when we first opened, and now what the gym is like. It's full. Like I said, do not need really, really, you know, like strong presence in the community. You know, like we're very, very well known in the community. It's a very strong brand in New Zealand. And, you know, like I want people to say, hey, I want to be part of that team. You know, like it's, you know, it's a lot of serious trainers, you know, like a lot of like bodybuilders, athletes, you know, and it's a very serious gym. And, you know, we want people to say, hey, I want to be part of that gym.
Okay, you want to say that you want to this campaign for the reach or engagement campaign. No need to generate any sales or leads from these campaigns, and that you mentioned. Am I right?
Yeah, I mean, I still want to. I want to capture the leads.
Yeah.
So yes, I do want to do an engagement campaign.
Yeah.
But I also want to, you know, have a lead generation campaign that has a link, and, you know, if they click the link, we capture all their leads, and then I can do what I want.
Yeah.
With those leads. You know, like if I want, we can send them a promotion, or I can just keep them in my database. You know, if we lose any members, then I can promote to that lead list to increase. You know what I mean? So during this time where we're doing you know, celebrating the 1-year anniversary and doing a lot of engagement thing, I still want to capture the leads.
Yeah.
You know, I still want to capture the leads. But it doesn't need to be a direct sale. Like, for example, click on the link and join. No. You know, click on the link, register your interest, and then, you know, then the leads will go into a spreadsheet.
Okay, just give me time. So you mentioned that my one more question have. So did you you don't have any backend access in the sites, and my question is that ads manager. So when I go to run Facebook ads campaign, so I need to access ads manager access. So
yeah, I have access to our I have access to our Facebook page.
Yeah.